In this video, we are going to discuss about the key availability metrics. So, what are the key availability metrics? The availability metrics has the mean time to restore service, that is nothing but a downtime, which is equal to relates to maintainability and also sometimes regarding to the serviceability. So, in this diagram you can clearly see about the uptime and downtime, how it is categorized. So, this is incident occurred time. So, from this time till this dot, it is called detection time. So, this is the time where the error or an issue can be detected based on its categorization. So, based on this dot and this dot comes the diagnosis time. So, how come it be diagnosed and get back the service online? So, between this dot and this dot is called a repairing time. If the service needs to be repaired or the issue needs to be having any repairing for the services will be done here. So, between the restoration we see this is called restoration of the service. So, we restore back the service online so that the issue ends here. So, you can see this is called the downtime. So, this is called the downtime, and in this downtime we see the availability. In the availability management we see the key concepts like availability, reliability, maintainability, serviceability and also restoring back the service online. So, from here again to the incident occurred again. If you see, this is if you take an example of a computer, a PC down with some error called domain error. So, from here we restored back the domain error. So, if again the domain error occurs again in some time, so this time is called mean time between failures. So, this is the first failure and this again the failure occurred, this is the second failure. So, the mean time between these two failures is called uptime or availability. So, this is very key important thing here, because by the first time we will be having some diagnosis and repair and also recovering steps which needs to be again followed here, but as we are in the availability management, the availability of the service for certain time is called the availability management time. You can see here mean time between system incidents, that is called reliability. So, reliability is very important in availability management, so that the service should be available for certain time without any interruptions. You can see here the MTBSI, mean time between system incidents, that is reliability. So, reliability plays a very important role in availability management, as the reliability means that without any disruption we are providing services to the customers. So, without any disruption, so this point is very key in availability management. So, coming to the normal metrics and roles and responsibilities will be discussed in the next videos.